Welcome everybody. In today's video we are going to make this typography design in Photoshop. It's really easy to do, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. All you need to do is to create a new document by hitting Ctrl N on your keyboard and just take the Instagram portrait size 1080 by 1350 72 ppi and just click OK. I've already created our elements here, so I'm going to put the link in the description for you to download this head here so that you can use it for practice and all of that. So we're going to take this and just drag it to our new document and let it go. Okay, and we're going to create a new background, solid, and let's make it all black. Okay, I'm going to drag this behind. We can get rid of this one because we don't need it anymore. And for this one, we're going to take the marquee tool, the rectangle marquee tool, and but before we do that, let's Ctrl D to deselect. So let's bring in our ruler and just place it in the middle. Okay, as you drag, it's going to snap to the middle. Okay, just let it go, and let's take the marquee tool now and just drag. Okay, and just hit the layer mask, okay, to bring in the mask. Okay, we're going to duplicate this layer by hitting Ctrl J on our keyboard, and on this layer, while on it, hit Ctrl I to invert the mask. We're going to bring in our text that I've already prepared, and it's right here. Okay, so we're going to drag it. Let's go back to our move tool and let's drag it to our design. Okay, we're going to move it down here and let's just arrange it. Okay, in case you're looking for this font, what I'm using here is Compactor Big T. Okay, this is what I'm using. I'm using the Roman size, and that's it. So once you're here now, just drag this top one that the left side is masked out and bring it on it. Okay, right here you're gonna right click and say create clipping mask. Okay, and that's it. Boom. It's as simple as that. Okay, you can now hit Ctrl semicolon on your keyboard to hide the guide, and you are done. Okay, it's as simple as this, but we want to do some other Photoshop manipulation technique. Okay, let's bring in a new layer and hit B on your keyboard to bring the brush tool, and hit the inverted bracket to bring down the size of your brush. Let's Ctrl Z and let's take our foreground color, click here to invert it, and just paint out this part. Okay, I don't want it to be that sharp. Okay, just want it to be a little bit faded into the background, and that's it. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 51 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.